Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Classless. Today we'll be solving question number 5 and 6 from H.C. Verma, chapter number 1, Introduction to Physics. So let us go directly to question number 5. What question number 5 is saying? Question number 5 is asking you to find the dimensions of Planck constant h from the equation E equals to h nu, where A is the energy and nu is the frequency. Okay. Now question is saying that you have to find Planck constant h, so dimensional formula. So question is also ask you to use a very simple formula E equals to h nu to get dimensions of h. So it is very simple. Use the formula E equals to h nu. From here make a formula for h. That means h equals to E upon nu. Now write simply the dimensions of E and nu to get the dimension of h. So what is the dimensional formula of E? Energy. It is equivalent to work done. So I am using formula work done. Work done equals to force into displacement. What is the dimensions of force? mlt minus 2 and distance is L. So what I am getting here, ml square t minus 2. So I will just put ml square t minus 2. You can use any formula of energy, but each time you will be getting the dimensional formula ml square t minus 2. But the question, the fact is that you have to use a formula which is very simple in nature, from where you can easily connect the basic quantities, okay, like ml, t, Kelvin and so on, 7 basic quantities. So E is having ml square t minus 2 formula. Nu is a frequency, and you know very well nu equals to 1 upon t. So from here 1 upon time period means dimension of nu would be t to the power minus 1. So if we'll solve this, what we will get, ml square t minus 1. Okay, this will go up and plus 1. So this would be formula for h. Okay, now we are moving towards the next question 6. There are 3 parts in the question number 6, A, B and C. A, find the dimension of A, the specific heat capacity C, B, the coefficient of linear expansion alpha, and the gas constant R. Okay, and there are 3 formula have been given for each question. So for first question is asking you to use formula Q equals to m c T2 minus T1. Okay, so from here I will make formula for specific heat capacity C. So how it looks like, Q upon m T2 minus T1. Okay, now I will be writing formula for Q m T2 minus T1. Q is the kind of heat energy, so energy is having formula ml square t minus 2. This is mass, so this would be like m T2 minus T1. It is the kind of difference of temperature. So suppose if I am asking a question, try to find the difference between 30 Kelvin and 25 Kelvin. What you will be getting, 30 minus 25, 5. So answer is in which unit? Kelvin. So if I will subtract Kelvin from Kelvin, so answer is also coming in Kelvin. So don't get distracted that Kelvin minus Kelvin becomes 0 unit. No, the value will be subtracted but the unit will remain same. So I will be using Kelvin for difference in temperature. M to M cancel, L square T to the power minus 1 K minus 1 is the answer for first part. Very easy. Now B part, what B part is saying, you have to find the coefficient of linear expansion alpha. So use the formula L equals to L, T equals to L naught 1 plus alpha T2 minus T1. Okay, now alpha is here. You have to find the dimensional formula of alpha. So make a formula for alpha, very easy. Just multiply L naught into the bracket, L naught L naught alpha T2 minus T1. Very easy. Now from here, if I'll solve, then I'll be getting this value for alpha. Okay, into L naught. Okay, is it clear? This will go this side, and after division you will be getting like this. Okay, now I will be writing formula for each term. Okay, L naught, LT minus L naught, this is distance, this is also distance, length, that means, okay, so length minus length will be length, and downside L naught L, and T2 minus T1, this is kind of temperature, Kelvin, so Kelvin minus 1 would be the answer for the B part, because L and L are cancelled here. Now we are moving toward third part, which is C part of this question. It is saying that find the dimensions of gas constant R. So I am using here PV equals to nRT. From here I have to make a formula for R, PV upon NT. So now P is the pressure, so I can use formula P equals to F upon A to get the dimension of P. That would be ml T minus 2. Area means L square, means ml minus 1 T minus 2. Okay, ml minus 1 T minus 2 would be dimension of pressure. Volume means L cube. N means mole. This is number of constant particles in a matter. Suppose I am talking about the number of atoms, then that would be kind of mole. That means the unit of number of constant would be taken as mole. So I am writing mole here. Temperature T, this would be termed as Kelvin. Okay, after solving, what will I get? It would be like ml. Now you solve this and this, ml square T minus 2 mole Kelvin to the power minus 1 mole to the power minus 1. That would be the dimensional formula of gas constant R. Okay, so that is all for today. In next video we will be solving another 2 questions. Take care. Bye.